How to see backup codes on Instagram. Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you step by step on how to see your backup codes or how to get your backup codes in Instagram. After you open your Instagram app like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, now tap on this menu at the top right side. After you come to this menu, tap on this account center. After you open this account center, now scroll to down and tap on this password and security. After you open this password and security, now tap on this two-factor authentication. So as you can see, now select your Instagram app like this or Instagram account. So before you see your backup code or before you get your backup codes on Instagram, you must turn on your two-factor authentication. As you can see now here, it says two-factor authentication is turned on. So after you turn on your two-factor authentication, if you come to this section, it will allow you now to see and copy your backup codes. So tap on this additional method button, additional method. So in this section now, tap on this backup codes. So as you can see now, here is now my Instagram backup codes. Now you can be able to go and copy your backup codes on your phone or on something and just keep it for your Instagram security. If you want to get new one, tap on this get new codes. It will generate new code for you. That's it guys on how to get backup codes in Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.